it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything.
I don't know what to say, but I saw you and I got attracted.
Wow, my God.
Yeah. Oh my God, you don't need to be. Please, can I meet you? What's your name?
Okay, my name is Uche Wakuche Edizo, aka Sister Maggie.
Wow. You're the Maggie of all people.
Oh yeah, you can say that again.
That's nice. I've been longing to meet with you and
So who am I chatting with?
yeah, this is actually I'm not Igbo. Yeah, I'm from Kwara State, and I based in United States of America. I also traveled to Indonesia, Jakarta, Malaysia, South Africa, Italy, Japan, and just name them. I'm a traveler.
You're a traveler.
Yes, I am a traveler.
You're a
And,
traveling bag.
yes. Oh my God, you can say that again. What a funny Maggie you are. So I came into Nigeria in search of a life partner, and the moment I saw you in the flight, my instinct, my innermost.
Your hunch.
You can say that again. My hunch, the hunch I have inside of me, just showed me that you're going to be the one. So I don't know if you don't mind giving me your hand in marriage.
You don't say. Oh my God, you're kidding me.
No, I'm serious. I'm serious. You know, over there in the state, we have so many girls, we have so many ladies who are interested in me. But I said, no, I don't want to marry them. I got to come back to Nigeria here and then make myself, or find myself, or get to myself, or in fact, located to myself, beautiful damsel.
Oh, now I'm going to cry.
Oh, you don't need to be. I guess I'm a romantic person, as you can see, very, very romantic in nature. Yeah. So
Are you alright?
wonderful. I am. It's just that you know, like I was saying, if you don't mind, I love pet names a lot. Don't mind what I was doing. That's how we do it over there in America. And when you get to the state, you see so many girls are after me. Everybody want to marry me. Everyone want me to be their husband. Everybody want me to be their husband. But I said to myself that no, it could be a disappointing thing to my parents from Kwara State for me to yeah. So I got to come back to home here and you know, fix myself to someone and attach myself and then inaugurate myself into someone.
And walk down the aisle.
Oh my God, you can see.
An optical top.
Damn. Yeah, damn. That's how we say it over there. When you get a surprise,
you really
say,
stayed so long.
I was born there. Yeah, I was.
Citizen?
Yeah.
You're a citizen.
Damn it.
Are you okay?
Oh yeah, I was.
You were?
Yeah.
Before?
Oh yeah.
And now?
Damn it.
Oh my goodness.
Damn it. That is how we do it over there in America. Damn it.
People all gone crazy over there.
Oh wow. Damn it.
Oh my God.
Damn it. Now let's assume you finally become my wife and I finally become your husband. I love pet names a lot. Like if you come there over in America, you have my dogs. I have so many beautiful names for my dogs, for my pussycat, for my tall. I have so many pet names for them.
Did I hear pussycat?
Yeah.
What is pussy?
Oh come on! Pussy is for Italian. Then in America we call it pussycat. Yeah. Damn it! So now, you are my wife and I'm your husband.
I love this topic.
Oh yeah, I love it too. I would want you to give me a pet name, like, you know, just like, my pet name. You know, I love pet names so much.
Okay.
What would you like to call me?
Okay, let me think of something. You know, something light yet beautiful. Something crazy a little bit.
Oh my God!
Something you love so
Damn it!
Oh my God! Something, you know, something glorious.
Oh yeah.
Something that has grace surrounding it.
Say it again.
How about rare people answer it? Very rare.
Okay.
Erasmus.
So, I can.
So. I thought me one year USA. No bele no me.
Oh. Iran. Tonda bomb queen. USA, USN. Look at you. Only Murura home, home, my Zibeganapple. The Babra, who hotel Bomini, and the Morre Rasmus, Rabuquem.
Give them get clever. I was born in Dallas. I was born in Houston, Texas. I was born in Michigan. What should you do?
What they were common them nearly. Never mamma. When I'm on a laser, what am I about? Nobody can make a room, we had a baby, my honey. He didn't want to promote himself. He didn't want to promote himself. I'm not here. It's a me ways with English girl. I'm a new walk people. If I'm happening here, what has to go? Yes, yes, America. America, take you a very good Ligian and Gillian. And I reckon. No, I'm not telling you the name on America. I'm so all from Pine to Fires. Mocking her name. Come not to the Singapore Gam got to know to Machi. I have the same. Airport ticket one. Then what does you want the man nation here? Eh? Airport, I saw an airport come and then when I agreed. Nelo, who got it. What you get? I international, here shing up Tana local. Mbanguzunga. I won't go to Cham, came here, Cham, came with a Cham. No, get you, I'm so fake. It was fake. One fake, go out fork. It was fake, you fork. No, got nature so much. Take a shoot when I'm now say when you kiss you. Name English more come babble. Sufficient English Ojima we had dollar. I'm some poker boy than neighbor that Krajakundundu. This is a Pumnaka Biko. Singapore maybe. What? Happy Valentine to you all. Say it.
Happy Valentine.
Valentine. Valentine, say it.
Happy Valentine.
Thank you. We wish you all happy Valentine, a sweet one at that.
Show some love.
Yeah, show some love to the privileged ones.
Remember the real meaning of Valentine.
Yes, it's not all about sex. It's not all about fornication. It's all about showing love. And remember, this year's Valentine is a special one. It's Ash Wednesday, and it's also a Valentine. So yes, be careful what you do because
two edges towards.
Oh my God! You can say that again. Damn it! Okay.
Excuse me.
Oh, exclusive.
Hello.
I want to thank all of you for your understanding. Hey, understand. I want to thank you for your incumbent acrimony to our productions. We thank you for watching all our productions. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for making us feel very important, because without you there will be no us. I and Sister Mangi, we put hands together to say thank you very much, and we promise to always make you happy. We promise to always knock at your door with something that will interest you. And again, I want to also tell you that if you want to watch more of our programs, you can get it, or you can just type Chief Imo's Comedy on YouTube. Ganime YouTube, type Chief Imo's Comedy. You get all of our work. And I want to also tell you that every Friday, we'll make sure we update something that will interest you. Thank you, and keep watching us. As you keep watching us, we'll keep also making you proud. We'll keep making you happy. We'll keep making you feel, feel at home. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye-bye.